In this video, we're going to review how to export your Insta360 videos from the Insta360 Studio application. To get started, locate the video files in the left-hand footage panel that you want to export. You are welcome to select multiple video files at once, but for now, I am only going to select one. Once selected, come on over to the top right of the screen and select the yellow Export button. In your video export settings window, you'll be able to select between local or cloud storage. From here, you're going to want to make sure you're in the local export, as you will not have access to the FMC's cloud storage for Insta360. Below the first option, you'll have the option to select either video or 360 video. You'll want to make sure that you choose 360 video if you are intending to deliver this content in a platform such as ThingLink or another 360 media player that can be reviewed in VR. From there, you'll want to change the file name to be relevant to whatever the file is, and then you'll choose the file path as to where you want to store this file after it's exported on your local storage device. You can leave the bitrate as is, the default. You can also leave the resolution to the default if you wish. You can leave the encoding format to be the same, and then once you're ready, come on down to the bottom right and select Start Export. Once your 360 video is exported, you'll be able to open it and preview it in the average media player on your device. Now keep in mind, until you import it into a media player that supports interactive 360 content such as ThingLink, you're not going to be able to interact with it like you normally would. So in this case, as you can see here, it displays almost like a panoramic image as a video. It's 2D, I can't interact with it until I pull it over into ThingLink. Make sure you check out more of our Insta360 tutorials and reach out to the Faculty Multimedia Center for further assistance.